So this video is going to walk you through what it will look like when you're actually hosting your presentations in the virtual classroom. So you'll have followed the other video and set up your meeting and gotten everybody in. And so right now we have Jesse. You want to wave, Jesse? Hi, Jesse. Rachel is also joining us, but her camera's not working. So, but she is here with us as well, and it will be helpful for you to see this. So what will happen is up to 7 of your students plus yourself can be on camera. So when there's more people, your students will see more people. So when you start, you will be the host, and you will also be what's called the presenter, you as the instructor. And if you see right here, there's a little screen right here that shows me that. And so I have the ability to share my screen. I can upload slides. I can also, this is just like this random, it's like a whiteboard I can do things with. So on your presentation day, make sure your students know the order they're going them, and make sure that they have their visual aids pulled up so that when it is their turn to present, they'll be ready to share their screen and share their visual aids. And it will look very much like this. So you will see their face up here. Their visual aids will be down here, which you'll see in a minute. And so as they're talking, they can use the mouse to point and gesture, but then instruct your students, their eye contact should look like they're talking to the other people in the room. So let's say we're ready to go. So Jessie would be up first. So what I do is I find her over on the side, this side panel, and I just make her a presenter. Now she has the ability to share her screen that she would not have. And I would mute myself at this point if this was really happening. So Jessie, if you want to share your screen. And so it started, and she can bring those up full. And then we would say go. Jessie would talk, go through her entire presentation, and then she would be done. Thank you, Jessie. Now when I want to make her no longer presenter, I can go back to making myself the presenter. And then when Jessie was done, if let's say Rachel was next up and everything was working, I can actually unmute her. So Rachel is, there she is. And I can now make her the presenter. And if her stuff was working, she would have the ability to share her slides. And so you will just continue through your roster of students. And if you have more students in the virtual session that then can be on camera, you can also control who's on camera. Obviously, the person speaking, we would always want them to be on camera. And when they become the presenter, they will move to the top of the screen. So that is how you will run your virtual classroom.